This is from AI artist Gokul Pillai, creating portraits of the world's richest men as imagined as the poorest. He used Midjourney, of course, and we're all aware of how that goes. So the first one we get here is Donald Trump in the slums here and looking a little more thin. Still very tanned. Got no shortage of the makeup over there or whatever it is that he's doing.
I like the filter. It's got like a old photograph feel.
Grain. It's got grain, film grain. The hairstyle and
it's too groomed.
It's not slummy enough.
It needs some dirt.
Let's go. Oil. Let's go, Midjourney. We got to up the slum aspect of it. Here we got Bill Gates, also in a slum.
They still look pretty clean.
It's the hair is not dirty enough,
the
right?
Shirt.
What do we
Not
need?
enough rips.
We need more dirt. Add dirt plus dirt.
Yeah, rips.
We need dirt, scuffs.
A couple poo marks.
I wonder, why does Trump look miserable and Gates looks happy? That's I don't know what kind of conspiracy you can give me on that.
Yeah.
Midjourney paints Gates happy and Trump mad. Therefore, Midjourney conspiracy theory, farmland purchases, pharmaceuticals.
It's all connected.
Whoa, Zuckerberg looks better than ever. Is that Zuckerberg poor? Like, he should consider becoming poor because he looks like he's part of a Balenciaga ad over here. Yes, he's looking great there. He looks,
he looks younger.
Are you
for
nuts?
Some reason.
He looks sharp over there with the tan shirt. He's like Yeezy, looking like he's in a Yeezy fashion show with the tan.
He's definitely more tan.
No, the color of the shirt, I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
That kind of off-white type color. I know he's got a little dirt spot, but like the guy got pecs going on. He's lifting out there. He looks way better poor. He should consider it.
Okay.
He looks the same.
He looks the same.
Exactly the same. Warren Buffett looks exactly the same. I think he even wears that shirt. So, Is that Bezos? Get out of here. That's not even close to like Bezos. Completely changed everything. Like what? Other than being bald, what the hell else is? What's Bezos about?
His eyes,
nose, mouth. What? Eyebrows. Will, that's a disaster.
Maybe there's less images to train.
Bezos images? Are you nuts?
Compared to Trump or Gates, I don't know.
Bezos is out there. He's on the yacht and everything. Got the new wife going on.
And Elon just looks like Elon.
Yeah, Elon just looks like Elon.
This is a giant
blood stain.
Murder.
They're like Elon can look exactly the same, but just make sure there's a big blood stain. Because if he was in the slums, he'd be like, just wiping people out. Apparently, it's news to me.
Yeah. Well, good job.
Midjourney.
It's fun.
Midjourney. Midjourney.